So this is kind of awkward because I got the box upside down, and mainly because of these connectors. They're very stiff, so you don't want to bend them. So this is what it looks like, where I've got two thermal sensors connected in the RS-232. Okay, so now I'm going to turn it back around, and I'm going to pick up the thermal sensors because the wires are so thick. And you know, if you're an engineer, you pretty much know all this stuff. But do-it-yourselfer trying to get this done, not so much. So now I'm going to plug the power in. I'm going to turn it over. And look at it go through a self-test. Okay, you can see it's reading. So I'm now going to just set this up. I didn't want to do a screenshot electronically because it is Windows 7, so it's just, you know, it is what it is. So the app is so basic. You just drag it in on your desktop and you click it and it opens up. That's how rudimentary this app is. And so you can see that it's got like all the channels there. I don't have this centered because I wanted to show you the task manager on the right. So you open the setting up and you pick a COM. I found that COM 5 worked. And the way I found that out was when I disconnected everything, COM 5 would go away. And when I connected it up again, COM 5 was there. So that told me that was probably the one that was most likely fully connected and communicating. The other thing is that this is a one-way communication. It comes out of the temperature sensor. There's no handshaking, there's no coming back on it. It's just an output. So let's see what happens when I close that and then I hit connect. Now you can see that channel 1 is starting to read data. And that's really pretty much all you're going to be doing. It's just reading. It's reading the temperature. And I think you can go to another channel, and it'll read that also. And then you can set this thing up to rotate, and it'll read like every few minutes, or every few seconds, or whatever you want. It'll rotate through each channel and output each channel separately. It doesn't output them all together, which is kind of a drag. It's so basic, you know. Someday maybe they'll even go to Windows 10. That's it. I hope this really helped.